Did you know that contact with the power line is the leading cause of electrical-related death in Ontario? As a first responder, you can make a real difference by helping to prevent some of these fatalities. If you arrive on the scene of a motor vehicle collision and a power line is on the vehicle or on the ground, here's the safest way to handle the situation. First, be aware there is no way of knowing if a power line is live just by looking at it. Always assume the down line is live and deadly. Keep everyone, including yourself, at least 10 meters back from the down line. That's the length of a school bus. Call the power utility to report the situation. Until they arrive on the scene and confirm that the line is not energized, tell the people in the vehicle to stay inside. If the vehicle is on fire, tell the people inside to open the door and jump out, landing with both feet together. They must never touch the vehicle and the ground at the same time while exiting. Then they must shuffle their feet, heel to toe, to get 10 meters away. The Electrical Safety Authority is dedicated to safeguarding Ontario's first responders, and with your help, we can keep the public safer too.